So good.
Hey guys, welcome back to another immersion video. You're not used to seeing me, it's normally the better half over here.
Better half.
But we decided to do another little video today because we've been offered an opportunity to go visit a secret waterfall in a village.
With little caves.
With little caves and little water holes along the way. We've actually never been there and we've lived here for 4 years now, so we're really excited to go see it. Apparently it is like pristine, untouched, crystal clear blue, and so yeah, I'm really excited. Apparently it's about an hour trek to get up there, like part full drive, part walk, and we're just going to go to the local village now. We're going to pick up some people who are going to show us the way and guide us up there. So it's going to be good. The kids don't really want to go because as soon as they heard our walk, they're like, we don't want to go.
But once they get there, they'll be losing.
Yeah, exactly. Once they get there, they'll be like, this is cool. So yeah, we're heading out now. And just coming out the driveway, and then I think we're heading about 5 minutes down the road, meet these guys, and then we'll take you up there with us. Bye. Okay, so we've just pulled up to pick up our friend Bulla. You're going to be our tour guide today. So Kenny's going to take us up there. We've got some more guides meeting us, and we're going to head up to the waterfall. All right.
All right.
Am I going to be scared, Ty?
Ken?
Yep.
Otherwise we walk.
Next slowly, next slowly. My van go through here, my van. Eh?
Yep.
My Isuzu.
Should we walk?
Go right here, yeah. My Isuzu.
Your car comes up here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's there, it's parked in there. My son, 7 o'clock to come to the farm. Go on the pool from ground.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah. You see that tire?
Yep.
That's my Isuzu here.
Yeah, as long as it's dry.
Yeah.
Easy.
See, look, there's the ocean
Oh, wow.
over there. Wow.
See
look at
the some town?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's the lighthouse.
Yep.
Yeah.
Coro.
Yeah. Coral Island there. Yeah, my Isuzu here.
Yep.
Ah.
You park here.
Back here.
And then we walk from here?
Yeah. You walk where? From here to that mountain.
Yep.
Ken?
Okay.
Where?
No.
Which mountain? Which mountain?
Okay.
Yeah.
You park here, park here. Okay.
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 Alright. So which mountain are we going
We
to?
try. We try.
Right up there. Which mountain?
That's the one. Ooh,
Oh.
rain coming.
Really?
The rain coming.
Is that okay to go or not?
Yeah, that mountain.
So we're going to go right to the top of
We'll
that.
go here, right here.
Let's go, girls.
You like it?
she'll like it.
Sure. That mountain, the waterfall there.
All right, we're going up to there, guys. Oh yeah.
We've got a little river down here.
Maybe I should have worn my flip-flops. Oh wow, look at that. Go over here. Have along your feet. No, slow. I like you.
Is that Fiji?
Fijian feet.
Fiji feet.
Fiji feet.
Fiji feet.
We need.
Mom, guys, we're away. Guys, this is where they do their washing. the soap.
All right, let's keep on moving. Bula! Bula! Absolutely live for adventures like this. This is like right up my alley, my type of idea of fun.
This being the lady hit by branches.
We are making our way along this sort of it's a path, definitely. Making our way along this path up to the waterfall. Apparently, Ty's saying we've got about an hour of a walk. So I always think that the more special places are always harder to get to, right? If they were easy to get to, they get spoiled, I believe. So
It's more easy, more people.
that's right. So I've been excited about this for a couple of days because we've been organising this throughout the week and we've just had our fingers crossed for the weather. Like we've had amazing weather holding out. And obviously a path like this, if you have a lot of rain, things can get super slippery. So we've had no rain for like a week.
There's the proof.
As I said that, they're telling me we've got a slippery bit here.
Oh, put it on my hand.
Right, hold your hand.
That is mud.
Alright.
Whoa.
Easy.
Easy, easy, easy.
Big cave down there.
Cave. Oh wow.
Wow.
Go down.
Go down, go down.
Now the rain starts. Keeps us nice and cool. So much better with the rain. But we're getting close. We're getting close. I can hear the water. Temperature has massively dropped. And yeah, we got this misty rain. So we're getting sort of high up the mountain now.
Come inside. Be careful, be careful. Be careful, my brother. Pull up. One leaf.
Rebecca.
Be careful. Go. Turn around, go. Hello, darling. Pull up. Now,
Bula. Michael.
Wani.
Wani?
From Tavioli.
Ah, awesome.
Come.
Taviuni.
Go inside, go inside. And then you did. Esali sa talagang bawat ako sa. Amay, lumo sila yung mata.
Rebecca.
Bula. Michael. Oh, little baby.
Just stay in the...
And what's this little baby's name?
What's
This
this?
one, Sam.
Sam?
Yeah,
So one baby Sam over here
Sam.
and baby Bernadette, was it?
Bernadette.
Bernadette in the hammock,
In the Fijian
the
hammock.
Fijian hammock.
That is so cool. Sleeping in it.
Oh, he's awake now. Blessing, talon sa puta. Bye, bye, bye. Hey, ready na ako. Ready. Oh, now close.
Oh, Buddha. Hello, sweetie.
Jungle girl.
Hey, jungle girl. Yeah? You are so cute. She's looking at me like, who are you?
Mandalo na solo.
Hola. Hello, puppy. Okay, make your way down, guys.
Alright, thank you so much. Oh, oh. No, she's just listening. Alright. Nice and cool.
Don't fall, Grandma. Do the washing here. Beautiful fresh water running down. So our new friends here have just told us that we're 5 minutes away. Awesome just to nip into their house there when that rain got a little bit heavy. Meet their beautiful little family. They're just gonna have some lunch, and then they said they're gonna come and meet us up there at Waterfall as well. So we're gonna have a good crew, I think.
This platform where my foot is here.
Well done, girls. Doing a good job.
Emma, lean forward and stick there. Long feet out, just follow my feet. I don't have long arms.
Hold on to me.
Ew.
Yeah, I know. Okay, Denver.
What's there?
I'm literally
This isn't even 5 minutes. More like an hour.
Fiji 5 minutes. Oh man, I'm nasty. I need to get fit. Oh my god. Wow.
Oh, wacky do. Oh my God. Look at that. Awesome, Zach. Awesome. How clear this is. What do you reckon?
Get good.
Go Denver! Go Maud!
I'm good.
Well, I'm coming up there to jump off. So cold. Woo. You just touched. Okay, so just like that, it's over. We are heading back. The kids aren't exactly thrilled about the walk home, but man, so privileged, feel so lucky to be able to come and experience a place like this. It's just beautiful. The water temperature is amazing. To jump in there, it almost takes your breath away when you first get in because it's just so cold, and then, you know, after a good hour walk through pretty thick jungle to get here, it's a welcoming, it's definitely a welcoming dip when you jump in here and cool off. The water's so clear for like a freshwater waterfall like this. It's really clear. It's just the greenery is amazing, and we're about to head back along that path and make our way back to the Land Cruiser. We're close. So good.